lovelies, Ashley Michelle here, and welcome back to my YouTube channel where you can find beginner beauty tutorials and reviews. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys a couple of quick and easy hairstyles that you can achieve with your synthetic unit or whichever type of unit that you have, sis. If you want to learn how you can style your hair easy and on the go, then keep on watching. Alright you guys, so I'm not going to do too much chit chat, and I'm just going to show you guys all these different hairstyles step by step and let you guys follow along with me. Alright y'all, so the very first hairstyle is one of my favorites to do when it comes to styling my synthetic wigs. And you guys definitely want to make sure that you braid your hair down or twist it down as flat as possible, because baby, do you see how laid and flat that lace is laying? That is what you want, sis. So the first thing that I'm doing is parting out 2 pieces of hair in the front, just to kind of like jazz it up and give like a little bang effect. And I'm simply just making sure that I smooth the base of my ponytail. So I'm going in with the rat tail comb to smooth out and comb through the hair so that way there's no tangles, lumps, or bumps getting in the way of this slay. So the first hairstyle is going to be a half up, half down hairstyle. And to keep everything nice and together, I am sectioning off my ponytail from the rest of the wig, and I'm simply just smoothing down the base of the ponytail. Now that I have everything sectioned off to my liking, I'm just going to take a scrunchie or a hair tie to put my hair into a ponytail. And you guys, you want to make sure that you are being very gentle with this step, because you don't want to lip that lace off. You guys, it's still synthetic now, so we got to be a little bit careful, but you just want to make sure that everything is nice and smooth so that way you don't have anything sticking out the way. And another tip that I would definitely suggest is if you have a wax stick or some freeze spray, you can also spray a little bit of freeze spray or use a wax stick to kind of smooth out the top of your ponytail. So you guys, I would definitely also suggest to take some hair and wrap it around the base of the ponytail, just so that way you can hide your ponytail holder. But this is hairstyle number 1. Alright y'all, so here is hairstyle number 1. This is definitely a daytime or nighttime look. You can definitely jazz it up with some hair pieces, hair jewels, but this is hairstyle number 1. So now let's move on to hairstyle number 2. Before we move on to hairstyle number 2, you guys, you can definitely just take this ponytail, twist it up in a nice loose bun, and make this into an evening hairstyle. And just use a bobby pin to secure your bun in place, or a hairpin. And I'm actually going to use a hairpin to secure the bun in place. And just like that, you made that daytime look with the ponytail until a nighttime look with the bun. And if you extra like me, you can add in some hair pieces. You guys already know I love my bedazzled chopsticks, so I would definitely add this into the ponytail just like that, and bam, now you're ready for an evening date night look, or to go to one of those holiday parties with this hairstyle. So basically, this could be hairstyle number 2. You got a 2-in-1 hairstyle with this look. We got the half up, half down ponytail slash bun. Alright y'all, so now we're moving on to the next hairstyle, and you just want to make sure you guys be a little bit more careful than I am just ripping this ponytail holder out of my head. You definitely want to try to avoid making any tangles into the hair. So my next hairstyle, I'm simply just going to take that one ponytail and split it into 2 ponytails. So if you want a more casual, fun daytime look, you can definitely switch this look up, adding 2 ponytails instead of 1. And again, I would definitely suggest taking a little bit of hair from the back of the wig just to wrap around the ponytail holder so that way you can disguise those, or you can add in your own type of hair accessories as well. But here is the next hairstyle. Alright y'all, so y'all could definitely transition hairstyle number 1 into this hairstyle right here by just, instead of having one ponytail, having 2 ponytails on top. And you can definitely add some bedazzles to these ponytails or use scrunchies instead. I would definitely add some cute little scrunchies to accessorize this hairstyle. So this is hairstyle number 3. And you guys already know I'm all about having 2-in-1 looks. So definitely to be able to make this your day to nighttime look, I would just simply take the ponytails and loosely twist them and make 2 buns on the sides. And these I would actually twist a little bit tighter into bantu knots. And you guys, I don't know, it was just something about this hairstyle that was definitely giving me 90s, 2000 vibes with this look. And you guys, if you are enjoying this hairstyling video, definitely make sure that you give this video a thumbs up. And of course, share this with your friends. And just like that, you guys, you have another 2-in-1 hairstyle with hairstyle number 3/4. And you all, now we're moving on to one of my favorite looks in this entire video, that bust down low ponytail. So all you have to do is simply just brush and slick your hair down into a smooth ponytail. And then again, wrap the hair around the ponytail holder so that way you can disguise that ponytail and have a nice, elegant date night look. And you guys, I could not pass up the bust down little part, super sleek, low ponytail moment, you guys. This is just giving everything that it needs to give. It's definitely giving holiday glam party look, date night look, you just want to get glam and look good type of look. This is definitely the perfect vibe. And if you guys want to know the details on this makeup look that I created, definitely make sure that you check out the iCards and in the description box down below. I have everything linked down below in the description box. And if you guys are enjoying this video thus far, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and drop me a comment down below. Well, this is hairstyle number 5, a nice super sleek low ponytail. And you guys already know I'm here for the 2-in-1 hairstyle, so you can definitely switch this ponytail up by making this a braid or a twist. So I'm simply just going to separate this hair into 3 sections and braid it down into a loose plait or a braid. And there you have hairstyle number 5 and 6 with the low ponytail braid. And you guys, you definitely can make this a 3-in-1 hairstyle by just taking the braid and wrapping it into a low bun in the back and using a bobby pin or a hairpin to secure. You guys, you just cannot go wrong with a simple, messy ponytail. Like, you guys, that's something that I always love and just hope that I can do with every wig, is throw her up in a nice, simple ponytail. And you guys, if you do loosen up the ponytail in the back, you are able to just go out the house without having to tie something around the bottom of the wig. But if you are a little self-conscious about, you know, people clocking your wig, sis, you could definitely throw on a scarf or a band around the perimeter of the wig and rock you a nice little messy high ponytail. You guys, it's nothing like a simple bun. Oh my gosh, like, this might be my favorite hairstyle out of all the hairstyles. So you guys, I think I'm gonna wrap this video on up because I probably could go on and on and on. I may do another part 2, or this would be a part 3 to this wig, because there's literally so much more that you can really do with this wig when it comes to hairstyling. So you guys, this is gonna be my final hairstyle for this video. We're gonna wrap things on up. Alright y'all, so that is all that I have for this beginner-friendly wig styling tutorial video. I really do hope that you guys enjoyed this video and definitely learned something new. Do not forget to drop me a comment down below, give this video a thumbs up, and of course share this video with your friends so that way we all can look fabulous together. And you guys already know what to do. Remember to stay beautiful, stay blessed, stay safe, and stay poppin'. And I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye!